Hello and welcome to the unboxing, or should I say the unpacking of the GoSale 3.1A dual USB port car charger. So this comes in this transparent bag, as you can see, and you can see all the components inside. It comes with a USB charging cable, and this is the cigarette lighter car charger. I'll open this pack and show you what's inside. There you go. These are the components of this particular pack. This is a nearly a meter long micro USB charger with a USB-A port on one end, USB-A jack on one end. It has Nexon written over it. And this is the cigarette lighter for your car. This is a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 cigarette lighter. The model is CC10. Input is 12 volt. As I mentioned earlier, this is a 12 volt cigarette lighter. And this also comes with dual USB-A ports. And this is it. This is what you will find inside the pack containing the GoSale 3.1A dual USB port car charger. Thank you for watching.